Hi guys, welcome to Programming 4K Lesson 3, and today I will be showing you how to make a drawing game using Microbit just like this. So let's start. So first we need to import turtles. So advanced extensions turtle input on button A pressed, turtle forward one step on button B pressed, turtle turn right, and on button A and B pressed, pen down, pause 5 seconds, and pen up. So now if I export this file to the Microbit, and if I press the button A on the Microbit, you can see the turtle moving. If I press both of the buttons, you can see the pen is down, and then after 5 seconds the pen is up. So guys, that was it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.